Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to export your Adobe Premiere video for YouTube. To kick things off, I've opened up a short project that's all ready to export. Let's go up to File, Export, and then click on Media. Or for Windows users, simply hit Ctrl-M on your keyboard, Command-M on Mac. First, make sure your format is set to H.264. Premiere has a selection of YouTube presets all ready to go with most of the settings you'll need. Select the preset that matches your sequence's resolution. I'm working with 1920 by 1080 resolution, so I'm going to select the YouTube 1080p preset. If you are unsure what your sequence resolution is, take a look at the source info under Summary down here. Under the Video tab, leave the basic video settings as default with the exception of turning on Render at Maximum Depth. The default encoding settings are also adequate for most YouTube content. So long as profile is set to high and level is set to 4.2, it'll be fine. Skip down to the bitrate settings and change the bitrate encoding to VBR 2pass. Then increase the target bitrate and maximum bitrate to 32. This will help make sure that YouTube doesn't compress your video too much. Now, check Use Maximum Render Quality, and that about does it for choosing your optimal YouTube export settings. I recommend saving these settings as a personal preset by clicking the first button next to preset and giving it a name. Now you can select your custom preset from the drop-down list whenever you go to export a video to YouTube. Lastly, but most importantly, you'll want to name your MP4 file. To do this, click the output name in blue and it will bring up a window allowing you to change the name and save the location of your exported .mp4 file. To complete your render and save the video to your computer, click the export button at the bottom. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.